Hi, I'm Andrew Remnant. I'm the Centre Principal at Porsche Centre Bristol. I'm delighted to be at the fantastic Berwick Lodge Boutique Hotel, who we've chosen as our first destination charging partner. Destination charging is a programme designed for our customers to charge their vehicles when they're away from home visiting the places they love.
Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm the owner at Berwick Lodge. We're really excited to be supporting destination charging, and obviously we absolutely love Porsche cars, here they are here, and supporting the environment and supporting a local business.
Now we have our first electric car, the Porsche Taycan. We're really excited about expanding the Porsche destination charging programme across the southwest for our customers.
We can't wait to see you here at Berwick Lodge. We have our destination chargers already waiting for you to charge your lovely, beautiful Porsche cars.
Thank you for watching our short video. If you'd like more information on the Porsche Taycan or the destination charging programme, please get in touch.